Okay, let's go start engine. Move this up and forward. Okay.
Okay.
Number 2 is rotating now, high pressure. When we'll reach 20 up to 25% to burn fuel and increasing temperature and one as well increasing.
And it's a
one by one only.
Pneumatic air start.
Okay, now start engine number 1, please.
No, the hydraulic systems are active now. You can hear the bark.
So, to neutral please. Now hand up, switch off APU bleed, switch off APU. Now works 1 minute, and after cooling switch off automatically. I will extend flaps, that means slats and flaps. Maximum auto brake. Okay, then we may now check takeoff configuration test. It's normal, there is no blue. When you forget something, you see it's in blue color. But it's written here as
all green.
Yeah. There is no green. Good. Let's go. We shall continue straight ahead until 1500 feet above the ground. There will be thrust reduction and acceleration altitude. That means this line, the green line for the guiding of aircraft, will go down to approximately 10-11 degrees. We will follow it. We shall reduce power, close mechanization, and we shall turn to the left 180 degrees to heading 061. I will tell you again it, I will set it all and so on. Okay, let's go. Okay, at the first 50%, please. This bubble is position of throttle lever. Okay, and forward to maximum forward. Fine. Okay, you may release it and control by pedals to have the line just below your right knee. Below your right knee. Perfect. Rotate, look down and pull, more. You have 7.5 minutes, 15 degrees of pitch. More 5 degrees. Okay, and it's all. Landing here. And now we will see the green cross, which has to be on the point. Now we are approaching to 1500 feet. The line is going down, follow it with small deviation of control stick. Perfect, continue, and release. Throttle levers, 2 click backward, 1 and 2, 1 more. Okay, perfect. Flaps up, that's up, and it's all. It's my work. I am not flying, I am monitoring pilot. That means I am looking above all. So, and we may turn now to the left, heading 061. Cross the line. All the time you have to cross the lines. without flight director, it's not so good. It's good thing. You have no problem with controlling aircraft, I see. In this case, you may use autopilot.
Okay, we'll get settled up on
As you like.
060 and then...
So, yeah, it's written here. And when we'll be inside, will be blue triangle here instead of 061. Now we are on western side of Prague. The airport is over there.
Yep.
Quite good thing because you need about nothing, only follow the cross. And it'll be usable for ILS approach as well. You know ILS approach?
Yes.
The signals,
To the localizer.
yeah, localizer glide slope. It's perfect. Runway 24 for our takeoff and landing is on the northern part of airport. This is
Like
runway
the
30,
terminal?
30, this one, and the second one is runway 12, that means 3, or
320 should be
04, but it's
40.
closed. It's for example, Air Force One is marking there, and President of the United States is coming to Prague from time to time. The river is Vltava, Moldova.
Okay. It's town,
Yeah.
the river.
And just behind the Prague you can see the white light just in front of us.
Okay.
It's by Europe is using PAPI, Precision Approach Path Indicator. In US is using WASI, Visual Approach Slope Indicator. It's like different because we are using in Europe 4 lights.
4 lights.
And in America are red and one. And white.
Seattle is 4 lights.
4 lights?
Yeah. Yeah, I was actually out at this airport
It's,
yesterday for the museum.
In museum, it's nice. We are going there next Tuesday with Mr. Steinbach. The aircraft is stabilized while we have not switched on autopilot. Okay. Okay.
Come up, take a little
Bumpy.
right.
So we shall reduce speed because, sorry, for next I will tell you. For flying around airport is maximum speed 220 knots. But to spare time I am using 250. And now we have to reduce to speed to Airbus pilots set it green dot speed.
Okay.
It's this one. It's recommended it's without touching, only by computer.
Okay.
An aircraft calculates it and also maintain.
Okay.
It's speed for
Oh,
the
so
best.
it's dropping down to it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It's speed of the best rate between drag and lift. It's usable for holding, for example.
Mhm.
Turn to the left by autopilot heading 330, left heading 330.
And you don't have to.
No,
It just does.
Identification of ILS Papa Romeo, frequency of localizer, and distance to threshold.
Okay.
According to plan, 8.6 nautical miles in front of threshold we leave
To the localizer.
to glide.
Yep.
Now you see the center line, and the best
So we're
angle for joining of center line is 30 degrees. That means runway has approximately 241, and we shall use heading 270, 10 to the left, heading 270, and it's this 30 degrees for joining of localizer. Now aircraft is controlled by heading and altitude as well.
and then auto
By
throttle.
pushing of this button approach, I will prepare here localizer and glide, and aircraft is waiting when we'll close to localizer and we'll follow it, and then after to glide. Okay, now the localizer is instead of heading
It's
now
active, it's
from the
active.
upper field.
So then we'll rotate through to. So that's to avoid the side load.
This airport on the right side, the small one, it's airport which is at Vodochody, factory Aero. Maybe you know combat aircraft Alca, L159, Alca or Albatros, L39 or L29 Delphi, old one.
Yeah, we're going tomorrow to Brno to take a L39 flight.
Yeah? On which one? Delphin?
Albatross.
Albatros. I have 550 hours of Albatros as instructor. Very, very good aircraft.
Okay, so airport's directly in front of us. I
Okay.
don't see the approach lights yet,
Later, little bit later.
but it's bringing us down to approach speed.
Now it's automatic. I extended slats,
Okay.
and we are closing now to
Sled
S
speed.
Now I will extend the first part of flaps, and also we are going down to 142. So 139 is here. Sorry.
Okay. So then it drops it. So
Mhm.
because of the extra lift, you have to.
So landing it down, automatic brake. Our decision height is 200 feet, 60 meters. Aircraft will tell minimum. It's latest time to switch off autopilot on this red push button. See you later now, no problem. And also strictly follow the cross. With gentle moving of control stick. Average average rate of descent is around 7 up to 800 feet. That means 08 or 07 here on radio
Okay.
or vertical speed indicator. But the main principle is follow flight directors. Instead of leveling aircraft above the ground, use only one move and return back, only to reduce gradient of descending,
Okay.
because the aircraft is slow and long. Perfect.
Okay, two whites, two reds.
Now on the left side of runway, we can see the puppy lights. Will be later, will be better. You are flying very nice.
400. 100 above. Minimum.
Okay, continue.
Runways inside.
You will reduce power when we'll retard. Okay.
50,
Level now,
40,
little bit. It's
30,
no. You see we are flying now in the horizon.
Retard.
Due to this I said only push backward and release. Retard. Okay. And reverse this backward. Okay. Again, backward, forward. It's fine. As you see, there is necessary only move little bit and release because aircraft has heavy ground effect. Okay. Where let's go now?
Let's try that one more time.
I want more time. What about Kai-Tak Airport?
Oh, the old Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. That'll be fun. You have to fly towards the big checkerboard. We're switching over to Hong Kong,
Nice.
the old airport.
That'll be fun. So I will put that day because it's not so good.
Okay. Yeah.
Third day in night.
Okay.
No.
Oh, we're just gonna.
Oh, it's all the time started.
Okay.
So here is our flight plan. We shall climb to 8,000 feet by this track, ILS approach, and at the end there is the difference around 35 degrees between ILS track and runway track. You will see all the time. Only there is necessary to get up thrust reduction, acceleration altitude to avoid touching to mountain. Okay. We may use reduced power for takeoff. Flex takeoff, it's written here. That means using this second click. No full power, but to first click and second click. And after takeoff, we shall reduce from flex to climb power. Okay. And sorry, I forget it. There is the necessary because both engine accelerating one by one. Use at the first 50% of N1, and when both engine will accelerate, use to second click. Okay, let's go. Okay. Power set. Power during rotation. Simultaneous. Okay, level climb, that means continue to cross and then reduce one click to climb power. Fine. Now we are out of mountain, that means I will send you direct Charlie point. It's Charlie VOR. Okay, follow it please. And now we are accelerating to 250 knots. Behind me you can see airport Kaitak.
Okay. Yep. And then Lantau Island. Is
It's
that
new one over there behind the mountain and behind the Iceland's new airport. It is working from 1998. Over there is Kaitak.
In 1997, I was on a submarine, and we anchored right off of that bridge over there. Autopilot, please. I will show you why. API. Because we have here To follow the
6,000 and 210, there 4,500. We have prepared because we have to extend sleds for first part. That means it's performance, please. And activate approach phase, push it and confirm it. Now we are again reducing speed to green dot speed. Okay. When we will be with speed just below this parallels, it's maximum speed for sleds. That means when we shall be below with the speed below, we may extend sleds. And it's better for our descending to maintain speed 210 over there. Okay, and now we see descending. Okay.
It's going to bring us to that altitude and point.
Yeah. In case I will use pulling, it's open descent. That means engine to idle and maximum rate of descent. But pulling, aircraft calculate ideal path for approach, and we are following it. Because the old one is closed and cancelled. 30 degrees. What about your home, which is
KSEA.
KSEA? SEA. This one? Yeah. Sea level pressure and temperature 14 degrees. Not so much. ago, Microsoft made Flight Simulator 2020. It's very, very nice. Very nice. So we see we are going to 4,500 now, and
We'll follow the.
it's better now. Nice airport, artificial island.
Yeah, they've added runway 3 is active now.
Yeah. I don't know because I'm 8 years rentier. I'm flying here only.
On Lantau Island here, you have
Yeah.
the big Buddha on the one side, and then Disneyland is
I see.
down on the other part.
So our approach will be today without wind because it's not possible for my customer to put them the wind. We never landed. Mr. Steinbach is owner of this simulator, made very good simulator. I think as an amateur it's very nice. And mathematic model is the perfect, it's like a real aircraft.
Very good.
The difference between professional simulator on airport and this one is not moving, it's base. But for heavy aircraft it's nothing because they are not flying by like Cessna or similar. So approach,
Okay, so
and we are closing to ILS now.
okay. And I can see the lighting scheme.
We are now turning here. We are starting descent now and speed is increasing a little bit, that means second flaps. And also speed is a little bit increasing, we are maintaining exactly speed for third flaps, but the normal sequence is first flaps, second, landing gear, third and full. Landing here. Automatic braking.
Okay.
Flaps 3. Precision altitude for this approach is 800 feet. In this point we have to see guidance lights and runway. We shall see it in Skywalker here. And full flaps. Now we are ready for to land. To spare simulator I am not using this one because it will be out in 1 or 2 weeks. You see the row bridges.
I've crossed this bridge several times. took my daughter to the W here,
Yeah.
the 120-story building. We had high tea there.
Yeah. I know Hong Kong only from movies with Belmont Go and Commissar Crusoe. But I were here 2 times because we flew from Bombay to Hong Kong to new one only, no, this one.
How you doing back there, Bob?
Pardon? Good.
Okay, out of marker.
It's marker only of.
Yeah.
Now when you will switch off autopilot later, just shortly before the approach lights, we will start then, and there is necessary a little bit, maybe 5 millimeters pull up, because for turning aircraft usually use air brakes on the right side, spoilers, and the energy is missing. That means a little bit pull up, and the same one but against when you will returning back to horizon flight for descending, you will use only pushing to eliminate more energy. And you will see the approach lights on the left side is some Sept street or something.
Yep.
And on the left side you
Is
can see
the red checkerboard.
yeah, it's red and white chessboard to inform pilot there is no airport, don't land here.
Minimum.
Okay, you may switch off over there. Red push button, fine. And now disregard flight directors only visually to land. Okay, you may start this turn.
400.
Perfect. More, little bit more, bang, fine. It's enough, it's exact.
300.
Perfect. And descend a little bit more.
120. Incline. 4. Retard.
And pull forward control stick. You see, we are in the air now again. It's so, I said you, no problem, but only for information.
I knew I was going to do this eventually.
No problem. You see the ground effect. It's necessary when aircraft touch. Never time pull again. Only push. You may push only.
Okay.
No problem. So let's go to San Francisco
Okay.
and we shall fly below Golden Gate. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Did we walk away?
Sorry?
I think they notified our next of kin.
Okay, whoops.
This was probably one of the most challenging approaches that you could make.
Yeah.
So.
Jeez.
And I think it is listed as captain only, right?
Yeah.
Captain only approach.
Okay, let's go for say.
Real time it's dark in San Francisco. Okay, so we're on 27 right?
28 right.
28?
28 right.
28 right.
So we shall climb to 2000 feet straight ahead, and after behind the hill we shall turn to heading 320, and we shall see Golden Gate,
And Bay Bridge.
Alcatraz, and so on, and we shall land to close airport. Just I will show you.
Okay.
Let's go.
Right?
Okay. Rotate. And you may continue with pulling up to 17.5 degrees of pitch. Okay, now release. It's for beginner only 15. Okay. Continue straight ahead now. Let's see, there is ground proximity warning system radar. Okay. Follow cross. Reduce one click. Fine. Perfect. Reduce speed, you may turn right to heading 320.
Right, 320.
And over there is Golden Bridge.
Yep.
Maintain at meantime, or we may descend to 30 feet. That means by speed 1000, no, speed per minute, feet per minute, sorry.
You taking notes, Bob? Because you're going to be up here next.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
Disregard, all disregard.
Marine ahead. Marine ahead.
disregard, it's because we have no landing gear now.
Enclave.
No,
Enclave.
100, oh no, it's enough.
Enclave. Enclave.
Okay, and now turn to the right, just below bridge,
400.
and I will change it. Directors are out, and there is flight path vector. Okay, this set. Oh, okay. Maintain 4,400 feet at the first,
370.
and when we will be on the final track, we shall descend to 100 feet.
300.
To 100 feet. Yeah.
150.
Nice. Okay, pull up and climb to 1,000 feet. Over there is Alcatraz Island.
Okay. Address.
Continue straight ahead. Reduce climbing, we are reaching 1,000 feet. Not yet straight ahead. The flight path vector is instead of flight directors, because it's not show us which to have, which is necessary to do, but which are doing now. That means in horizon flight is on the horizon. During descending it's below horizon. Okay, now turn to the right please, to heading approximately 080.
080.
Flaps 1 and maybe 090. Now we have to find over there
It's Oakland.
on the green green field is closed airport. We shall land there.
Ah, the
In
old
front of us are
Naval Air
two
Station.
groups of cranes, 3 and 1. 2. Fly between them, please. Down, no climb. Descend 1,000 feet per minute. And you see the runway?
I do.
Land there.
Land there.
To avoid FBI, which is waiting us on San Francisco airport. Okay, descend a little bit more. Approximately 700 or 800 feet per minute. Kick now backward, reduce power, forward, control, it's on. Landing on this aircraft is non-standard landing, but what shall we do? And brake, if you will use brake, you will cancel automatic braking. And we have to continue with manual braking. No problem. Fine. Perfect. Good?
Good.
Okay. So, next. We may go to London. Okay? we shall take off from London City.
City.
Backward to center. We shall look about center and land for Heathrow runway 27 right.
Okay, and then after that we'll swap him in.
Then
After that we'll put him in the seat.
that's still like 3 or 2 hours. Or maybe after finishing of recording.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got this. It's your time, bro. You got it. I'm learning a lot.
I've only flown in and out of City Airport in London once. It's a very steep approach.
Yeah, it was 6 degrees. I didn't know it, but I used it one time with customer and never ate.
Yeah, it's the whole time,
I
the
didn't
spoilers
know
are out the whole time.
what shall I do? The aircraft is accelerating. I don't.
Yeah, it was, I
And
don't know.
there is strictly prohibited use full flaps and air brakes at the same time. So I will put there morning time because it's better for checking of City of London. That means around 6:23 of local time. The city airport, London City, is not so long. That
Right.
means we shall use full power.
Full. It's not a D-rated.
Let's go. 2,000 feet and after takeoff left turn heading 235.
235.
Rotate. We may turn left heading 235. Okay, cross the line please. Fine. Reduce now to click. Yeah, one more. Okay. So on the left side is London City Airport. Over there is O2 Arena. Now we are flying now exactly to Tower Bridge. On the right side is building like egg.
The gherkin.
Cucumber. Yeah. You know it. Tower Bridge is in front of us. On the right side is Tower of London, the old castle.
And then the HMS Belfast.
Okay. Okay, use autopilot and look out. Like St. Paul Cathedral on the right side, Tate Gallery,
The London Eye,
London Eye, Parliament,
Parliament,
Big
Buckingham
Ben in-
Palace.
after the war, Westminster Abbey is on the left side. Just between two buildings behind the Parliament is Dowding Street,
Yep.
and behind it is Buckingham Palace. And on the right side is Hyde Park with the water.
Yep. I was just there about 3 months ago.
And over there is Heathrow Airport. You see, it's for normal customer, because when pilot is standing here, doesn't matter, we don't think. But for normal customer, it's very good, this sightseeing. Tomorrow in Brno, 5 kilo Tango Bravo, expecting KSFO for you.
What's that?
It's Brno Airport, 5 kilo Tango Bravo, and it's tough. And for tomorrow, September 9, from 7, that means from 9 local up to 11 local, wind 210, 5 knots, and KSFO. It's clouds and visibility are okay.
Okay. The airport. We're supposed to meet at 1400.
Yeah. And temperature is there 24 degrees now. Going by bus?
We can rental car.
Oh. Okay. Okay, if you want change, it's no problem.
Okay.
At the first up, please, until stop it and then backward. Okay.